Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix if you get this error message when you try to sign up for a new OpenAI account. Sign up is currently unavailable, please try again later. Alright, so if you get this error message that OpenAI signups are currently unavailable, here's how to fix this. So the first thing you should always check is whether OpenAI services and servers are currently operational or they have any kind of outages that prevent you from signing up for a new OpenAI account. So as you can see, I will link this page in the description below, and then you can also check it out what is the situation at the current moment. But as you can see, currently chat.openai.com is 100% operational. It was a couple of days ago when they had major outages. And if they have a partial outage or there's some kind of technical incidents, you can also check out what is that technical incidents currently, and you're gonna see whether the signups are currently unavailable here if they are not available currently. So if ChatGPT is completely operational, then there is another issue that you have to fix to be able to sign up for a new OpenAI account. And one of the troubleshooting method is to clear the cookies associated with your OpenAI.com website. So I'm gonna show you this using Google Chrome, but you can do this in any kind of web browser you're using for signing up for a new OpenAI account. So all you have to do is click on Privacy and Security on the settings page of Google Chrome, then select Cookies and Other Site Data, then scroll down to See All Site Data and Permissions. Select this one, and you can search here for OpenAI.com. And as you can see, there are more than 23 cookies that are associated with the OpenAI.com website. And by clearing the cookies, you're gonna be able to start a completely new session on OpenAI.com, and hopefully you're gonna be able to sign up for a new OpenAI account without getting the error message that signups are currently unavailable. If clearing the cookies didn't help, the issue might be related to the location of your computer or related to a VPN service you are currently using. So in that case, you might have to try to use a higher quality VPN. And the one I'm recommending is ExpressVPN. The great thing about ExpressVPN that it works great and really fast with ChatGPT, and it doesn't really cause any technical issues that other free VPNs might do. And one of the other advantages of using ExpressVPN is that if you end up not using ChatGPT, then if you cancel your ExpressVPN subscription within 30 days, you can get all your money back. And if you use the link in the description below and click on Start Your Trial Today on this page, you're going to be able to claim 3 months off for free from the annual ExpressVPN subscription plan. Alright, so whether you sign up for ExpressVPN or you have just cleared your cookies, once you have done that or connected to ExpressVPN and connecting to a country where ChatGPT is available, so it can be the United States, United Kingdom, or any kind of European country, open up chat.openai.com and then click on sign up here. Then you can add your email address and click continue. And hopefully you're not gonna get that error message that ChatGPT signup is currently unavailable, and you're gonna be able to sign up for a new OpenAI account and use ChatGPT with that new OpenAI account. So all in all, this is how to fix if you get the error message OpenAI signup is currently unavailable, please try again later.